on our way to our resort. We are staying at the Art of Animation. So let's go. There is our first sight of the Skyliner. Woo! We are here at the Art of Animation. Yay! Alright, will be our first time in the Art of Animation. So we are staying in the Little Mermaid section and we are at building number 8. Alright, we have made it to our room. Ooh. Ooh. This is our mermaid room. Alright guys, we've got the beds here. Flounder and Sebastian, how cute. The headboards. Let's see if they light up. Oh yeah, they light up. So cute. And then we've got Prince Eric, Scuttle, and Max. Very nice. We've got this octopus coat hanger. Let's have a look at the curtain. Under the sea. Yeah. So cute. Here's the TV. There's the table and chairs. And here is the light. And then let's go look in the bathroom. Alright, here's the bathroom. Got the sink. And the mirror. Hi guys. And the seashells. Okay, in the bathroom here we've got the ironing board, got a safe, extra pillows and blankets. There's 2 plugs right there. The mirror light turns on. There's a hair dryer down there. And then this is the bathroom, toilet, Ariel curtain. And the shower. Oh, it's so cute. The shower line that you can hook across if you need it. Hooks all the way across to here. You've got your shampoo, conditioner, and your body wash. And we've got a hidden Mickey right there in the shower. Over here you got the phone, 2 plugs and 2 USBs. Got the drawer. And underneath the TV, got Stitch playing right now. You've got 2 plugs here, 2 USBs, and then you've got 2 more plugs and 2 more USBs. And then under the table there's more plugs. And then there's a plug by the bedside. And another plug over here. So lots of plugs for all of your electronics. And the flooring is blue. Like we're in the ocean. And you can slide your luggage under the beds because the beds are raised up. We were looking for the refrigerator. Ta-da! There it is. Right under the TV. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? What do you think? My collection is complete. And this is our view outside of our room. Got a nice view of the Skyliner here, and over there is Pop Century. And now, since this is our first time at Art of Animation, we're gonna go look around. So all the shrubbery that they have here is supposed to represent like the seaweed at the bottom of the sea. And over here we've got Sebastian. Now we are going to explore the Lion King area, and as you can see, all the plants have changed to look more like a jungle. And the first one we come up to is Zazu. Alright, now we are making our way into the Finding Nemo section. This play area for the kids, and that's a little slide that comes out at the bottom. So cute. Welcome to Radiator Springs. Now we're going to go explore the car side of the Art of Animation. We've got the sheriff here. So Art of Animation has this rubber floor, and it's made out of recycled tires. We got Flo over here. Ooh, looking so nice. We got Ramon over here. And over here is Luigi. The Cozy Cone Motel. And over here we have Tomater. And then by their pool they have the Cozy Cones, and they've got the beach chairs inside of the Cozy Cones. And we got Sarge's hut over here. And then we got the Wheel Well Motel. You guys, these things are like life size. They look so cool in person. There's Lightning McQueen and Sally. Here is the outside of the building. And now we're going to go into the animation hall. Alright, and this is the lobby of Art of Animation. There's the gift shop. And here's the tree. And in the Art of Animation tree, they've got all the cool little sketches. They got area up there. So pretty. There's all the artwork. And this is the gift shop here at Art of Animation. Alright, we've got the refillable mugs. This is our first time ever getting them. We got Mickey Mouse, Buzz, and Star Wars, cars. Alright guys, we're on our way to ride the Skyliner for our first time. So let's go see which gondola we get. And then they've got the times posted here for the day. for when the Skyliner is running. So just be sure to check that every day because it may change. That's Chippendale! Thank you! Yay! We got Chippendale! We got Chippendale! Oh, nice breeze in here.
Yeah, it is nice.
So the Skyliner is supposed to fit 5 people on each side, 10 total. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. And there's a nice breeze if anyone's wondering about, you know, if it gets too hot in here.
It is a nice breeze.
It is a very nice breeze from the vent there. And our room is over there in the aerial building, the 4th floor. Going in for the landing. Whoa. Hello, Tigger. Alright, so we just landed at the Caribbean beach, and now we are going to go to Epcot. For our second Skyliner, we've just got a clear teal one. So this one we should be able to see better out the window.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
We're coming up on the turn station. Okay guys, we are headed to the boardwalk now. This is actually mine and Kari's first time on the boardwalk. So this ship here is actually a water slide, and that's the tunnel going down. Alright, we are going to take a look at the Yacht Club. Never been in here before. We're excited to see it and all the Christmas decorations. Ooh, it's so pretty. And here is the Christmas tree. We got the boat and the ships. We just love how each Christmas tree is themed to the resort. And here's one of their Christmas wreaths. And we got the globe over here. Alright, if you look right here, there's the hidden Mickey on the globe. There's a captain's wheel right here. And it looks out onto the lobby. Alright, now we are going to look at the Swan Hotel. Never been in here before either. Just want to come in and see all the Christmas decorations. Now we're going to go into the Dolphin and look at that for the first time. Okay everybody, now we're walking into the beach club for the first time. And here's their Christmas tree. Again, it's themed to the resort. So this one has starfish and all the little fish in the tree and the anchors. These are really comfortable. Alright, we're going back on the Skyliner now. We're gonna head to the Caribbean Beach Resort. Thank you. Yay, we're in a yellow one. Alright guys, there's the Ratatouille ride. Yay! We are at the Caribbean Beach, and here is the pool. We're gonna go check out the lobby now. What? And here's their Christmas tree with all the pretty bright flowers. Alright guys, we are here at the Art of Animation eating dinner. Kari got the grilled chicken sandwich. Okay, and I got fries. And I got the cheddar cheeseburger. What'd you get, DJ?
I got the Asian chicken stir fry bowl.
Alright guys, so that does it for our day one video here. We had a lot of fun doing the Disney Springs and the Christmas tree trail. Yep, we went resort hopping. We rode the Skyliner for the first time. Now it's time for our subscriber shout out. So our next subscriber shout out goes to Craig Pinkava. I hope I said that right. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and thank you for the lovely comments on our videos as well. That does it for today's video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye, travelers!